Hey y'all, what's up? I decided to pop in while I'm outside letting Max handle his business. I had to rush home from work to get ready for my friend's birthday dinner tonight. We are going to go use it, Max. We're going to try a new restaurant, hang out, have a little dinner, a few drinks, celebrate, and woo! I had to come get ready in like 2.5 minutes. So I had to let Max handle his business before I left. I've had a pretty busy work week, so I'm excited to be going out tonight to have a little fun. And we're actually trying a new restaurant. I think I'll bring y'all along, show y'all what I have to eat. We're gonna have a good time, have some catch-up time. We hadn't hung out in a minute together, so why not hang out for our girl Lena's birthday? So happy birthday, Lena. I know I got lipstick on. Happy birthday, Lena. So excited to hang out with you tonight. We're gonna have a ball, okay? So I can't get too loose because I gotta go to work in the morning. I'm just playing. I'm about to have fun. You hear me? Work or not. But let me go. I'll pick y'all back up when I make it to the restaurant, okay? Okay, I lied. I'm back. I forgot I had to do something before I left out the house. Otherwise, how y'all doing today? You doing all right? How was your work week? Was it good? I know, mine was kind of long too. Mine was kind of long too. But guess what? It's the weekend, baby. Am I alone? Because I be living for the weekend. I be too excited. Especially when I have things to celebrate and fun stuff to do. It's always good. But I had to make a pit stop into the studio to do something, wrap something up before I left home. So it was a little dark outside, so I decided to check back in with y'all before I left. Let me see if I can show y'all what I'm wearing tonight. I got on this sweater here and this like jacket. It's like a vest, and then I have some jeans on and some tennis shoes. You probably can't see it. But this is what I'm wearing tonight. Something cozy, comfortable and cute. But let me go. I'm playing, y'all. I'm running tight. I'm a very meticulous on time person, so I gotta go. I'm here playing, okay? I'll pick y'all up for real this time when I get back to the restaurant, okay?
Don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle. Snuggle, baby. Just wait. Let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby. Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style. imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Huddle, babe, snuggle, babe. Huddle, babe, snuggle, babe.
Since you were looking for your friend, the one you let hit it and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was about to Benjamin? How you think you really gon' pretend like you wasn't down and you called him again? Plus when you give it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably can. Talking out your neck saying you're a Christian, a Muslim, sleeping with the chin. Now that was the sin that did Jezebel in. Who you gon' tell when the repercussions spin?
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. 'Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a date, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night get that good till we act right. So So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on.
What's up, y'all? I am about to make us some lunch. I'm actually about to make us some, they're called like grinder salad sandwiches. I've made this before, but I'm not even sure if I recorded it or not. If I didn't, we're about to get into it right now. First things first, I need to prep. Cut up me some onion and cut up me some tomatoes. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. I'm back. So I ended up go ahead and cutting my onion, tomatoes, and I cut up some turkey meat. I use oven roasted turkey breast because that's what I had. Now you can use all different types of meat. I think the last time I made it, I used pepperoni also. But I don't have any pepperoni on hand today. So I'm gonna just use what I have. So basically, at this point, it's me just assembling everything and getting it mixed up. Y'all gotta let me know if you tried this sandwich before. The last time we had it, it was so good. So I'm going in with some already pre-shredded lettuce. I'm going in with shredded cheese instead of sliced cheese. And I'm just using some mac and cheese blend that I had left over. Going in with that. And then I'm going to add some pepperoni peppers in there. I'm actually going to cut these up a little bit, because these pepperoni peppers can be a little chunky. So let me cut these up a little bit first. But I was just feeling like making a good sandwich. Having some sandwich and some chips for lunch today. So that is exactly what we're gonna have. And we'll probably sit down and watch a movie or something. What's the show I've been into lately? I've been into, what is it? I watched Black Cake, that's on Netflix. But I've been into this other show on Netflix. It's called, First Wives. First Wives Club, y'all. Let me know if y'all been watching that. It's so good. So, I'm gonna go in and take my meat. Move this. My meat, my tomato, and my onions. Get that all in there. I'm gonna go in with a few different seasonings. I'm going in with some Italian seasoning. If you're into sub sandwiches, basically this sub is kind of just like an Italian sub. I really wish I had the pepperoni now, because I'm thinking back on how good it was. So I went in with some Italian seasoning, some nature seasoning, and I'm going in with this sub sauce here. You can also, if you don't have this, use just some Italian dressing. So I'm going in with that. Then I'm going in with some mayo. And we're gonna just get it stirred up. And none of this is measured. You really just do it according to your liking. Let the spirit use you. I'm not measuring at all. So this is what it looks like before I stir it up. Let me show you. Just got everything in here, and we just gonna stir it up really good to combine all the ingredients together. And it smells so good. Like, this can be eaten like this if you want to, but we're gonna take it and put it on our sub bread and make us some sub sandwiches. And we're gonna pair it with some chips. I actually got some new chips. Let me show y'all what I got. So I'm a fan of the original sweet heat chips, right? But I seen Lay's have this sweet southern heat barbecue. So I got these to try. Matter of fact, let me try it now so I can tell you how they taste. Okay, they're good. They're good. Now, okay, they got a little more heat in there. I feel it. But I'm still just a diehard fan of the original sweet heat. But those are actually good. So once you get everything combined, this is what it's gonna look like. Just like a chopped salad, basically. That's what it's gonna look like. And now I'm just gonna assemble it on my sandwich. And we about to eat good, okay? I'll come back and show y'all what my sandwich look like.